example, next month, with because our cooperation is already started almost a year ago, we will open our little Bandung in Kuala Lumpur. Your business, for example, cosmetic, I can match you with our local cosmetic business person, yeah. Or you have LED electronics for advertisement that we don't have, so maybe we can discuss in academic, whatever you like, yeah, in the name of this economic ASEAN community. Then all the products that need to be displayed and introduced to Indonesian market. So I think this way we can have a very short-term impact. Okay, this is short-term impact because I can, if a business person in Bandung asks me, hey, Mr. Mayor, where I can look for more information about Thailand product, I just go to this Thai little Bandung, for example, yeah, this little Bandung. I need a list of brochure or a book, yeah. YouTube also no problem, but not everybody familiar. I think I need you to produce a small book. What is your product, your strength, and how to contact, blah, blah, blah. That's one thing that we need. Second is I'm offering you to open the Thai store in Bandung. Ask to open Little Bandung also in Bangkok, for example. Yeah, you help us find a small retail, then we can do business and do the same. So I think this mutual understanding and mutual agreement, this is something that we would like to see. Yeah? And so 250 million people, 80% Muslim. That's why halal is very a big issue. Yeah? When you have a product, you have to seriously pass the halal certificate. Once you have the halal certificate, it's very easy for people to do whatever. So this is one step, yeah, because of our situation. Now everybody can, everybody now can affordably go anywhere, yeah, to the whole Indonesia, where mobile phone is more than the population. Because these gentlemen, mostly they have two mobile phones. Yeah. One for the wife, one for the girlfriend. To show you that in the future, selling your product through digital is very, very important. That's my point. That's why if you sell your product smartly using the digital advertisement, that is my recommendation. Because now everybody checking everything using the mobile. According to prediction, Dr. Kid, if Indonesia can maintain the economic growth 5%, yeah, every year, minimum 5%, Indonesia will be the 7th biggest economy in the world by 2030. This middle class of 50 million will be doubled to 100 million. So it means you really should think this Indonesian market, because just in 15 years, yeah, just in 15 years, the buying power of this middle class will be double from 50 million to 100. Within these 500 cities, we have more or less 10 big cities. Yeah. Jakarta is the capital. Jakarta and Bandung is building high-speed train. So in the future, if you take a train, if you come back to us in 3 years, you take train from Jakarta to here only 30 minutes. Yeah. But I understand as a city, connection is number one. That's why I'm looking for a meeting whether we can open Bandung, because we already Bandung Singapore. We have already Bandung to Kuala Lumpur, but we don't have yet Bandung to Bangkok. So I'm thinking whether we can do that. So in Bandung, we have more than 50 universities. So every year, as a mayor, I receive thousands of new students all over Indonesia. And Bandung also 60% young people. See? These young people, it means they like also your design quality in Bandung is good. Last month, I made a historical decision. For small business, no need permit in Bandung. First in Indonesia. So if you want to open business in Bandung, just come, partner with local, find your local, and just open. Yeah. What you do is you just register online, telling the mayor, hey mayor, I'm opening the business of such and such. That's number one. Number two, last year we also opened the microcredit without equity. So if you are very poor in Bandung, you don't have equity, you don't have motorbikes, you don't have property, you can borrow money up to $5,000 without equity. But you have to group in 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If one person problem, 4 friends must responsible. That's the way we do it. And my policy as a mayor to promote business is to promote young people to be entrepreneurs. So promote young people, no need to have equity. We help you. No need permit if you do start a small business. This is my revolution in Bandung. Now, the economic growth is the best in the country. Indonesia grow 5% something. West Java, our province, grows 6%. We grow almost 8%. You will not find any city in Indonesia that grows this big. Why? Because we are the service city. So if you, and Bandung is very historical, you will see many Art Deco buildings such like this in Bandung. When the weather is not too hot, you can experiment your fashion statement. Whatever mutual understanding, we want to help you. That's my political will. But on the other hand, also we need your help. We want to introduce something that might suit to the Thailand market or Thailand business also. We got it very dark. Now we transform as there is park. Single park means this is for people who sit low because they don't have loafers, they are single. Desperate single actually. No sweat. Is it not single, is it divorce? Berarti modal saya berhasil. It's not like chap, it's almost similar but a bit different, yeah. But the price and everything is very affordable. That's why lots of tourists coming to buy in very big number of shopping. In Bandung, we have the third type. This is we are proud because it's only by young people, managed only by young people. We call it distro. So because we are 60% under 40 young people, so everybody all over Indonesia, even from Malaysia, they come to Bandung, the young people, to buy not in the shopping mall, not in Pasar Baru, wholesale, but in small, yeah, so we have, I don't know, more than 100 small stores like this, scattered everywhere, and the quality is good. So by that introductions, let's have some discussions. What's the next step here? As a business, I know you are eager to do the next step, so we can discuss what is your expectation about the next step.
We feel aroused right now and see all their face. After they take some tea, not energetic, I feel hungry and full of option. but now they see your opportunity. Easy way, you can invest here by your permission. This is the keyword. So I would like to share by the floor of the idea that someone after your presentation last year, a presentation, they share your video clips through my network.
Okay.
That's very good. Everyone say, where is it? I say, Little Bandung. Start from the Little Bandung in Bangkok or in Thailand. I half done of the therapy to you. I can find a place and can put all your best product of top one or traditional one or new basic style one to be there.
I mentioned also in hydro power plant and infrastructure and others. Yeah, as a consultant, very experienced in consultant for 50 years already.
To working with your team here as a brainstorming session from Thai and Indonesia to see how opportunity that we can do. Let's give the example, and they can come talking to wrapping the CD. We have talked to them for quite a few months already, and they asking the owner that they come here together with me. Ask the first one that I mentioned. After they see the Bandung city, they feel very good. That he never feel that Indonesia, it should be a little bit down, Islamic city, but when they show Bandung, they say, wow, it's different because of your visionary and everything. So we talk in the theme called to wrapping the city.
Karena kan ini ada peluang bisa menjadi partner mereka di sini. Sebaliknya produk-produk teman-teman bisa yang di GCI dan di Kadin dan di IMI kita mengkonsolidasikan diri lah ya, mengkonsolidasikan diri. Nanti bisa bikin seperti ini juga yang di Malaysia ada, di Bangladesh dan lain-lain. Sekarang ya sebagai pemerintah kan saya hanya regulator ya, disambut. Peluang sudah ada, saya sudah ada, betul-betul tinggal di list aja. Oke, kamu produknya apa aja, mau gimana dan sebagainya. Terus kalau mau menyampaikan, you can explain your business also.
Yes, we have to the business matching.
Oh, yeah.
Yes,
Oh.
between the Kadin Bandung GCI and also the Chamber of Justice before this. And then after this, we are in Kadin Bandung and also with the GCI, the very talented young and full of spirit.
Makanya pada prinsipnya memang kita juga ada program salah satunya untuk berkolaborasi dengan teman-teman di luar sana untuk membuat semacam Little Bandung di berbagai daerah dengan di berbagai negara dengan beberapa konsep yang memang kita kembali ke sana salah satunya.
Nah, setelahnya teman-teman harus mengkonsolidasi sebanyak-banyaknya mengirim yang entrepreneur muda apapun produknya untuk ya kita coba minimal ada 2 negara sudah sedekat Iman, so we can do in 1 year. I think that's something I would like to see to make sure after you visit Bandung there are many follow-ups from small scale, small steps to maybe long-term big steps.
But now on 25 until 29, we joined the International Exhibition Taipei. 33 company from Indonesia joined in Bangkok. If you want to join on July, I prepare 10 boat pavilion in Bangkok. You can to send email for me for the fashion in Phuket on July. Fashion like fashion in Phuket because Phuket is end of July. And then next year, because I always join the big exhibition international for the auto park, creative fashion and the type food and beverage anything. You can do coordination, send email for me because my office in Embassy of Indonesia. I can to send the business card for you. You can do email. Thank you, Mr. Manager.
This is what I think this is a good timing that Thailand have asking for permission to support all the actions. Also, your president, Mr. Jokowi, have been visionary like you that we can combine and doing the best thing.
Before I make conclusion, dari Pemkot, ada yang mau ditambahin, Pak Erick, Om Dodit?
So every Friday we always hold kind of cooperation under same meeting. So we schedule to have to follow up this meeting this coming Friday, next Friday, not this coming Friday, next two Friday. So if maybe a representative from Bangkok could come here, or if you could not come, then we will do via Skype.
Mendiskusikan apa?
To follow up for this one.
Let me propose this. We set up the steering committee.
Yes.
Okay, my side we're gonna have the meeting and asking for to set up the steering committee to move up this project, make it happen seriously.
Yes.
Okay, I volunteer myself as the head of this steering. I will draft myself in terms of the government advisor.
The next step, number one, is creating organization. Okay, we create an organization, Bandung Bangkok, something, yeah.
Steering house.
Yeah, something nice to say.
BBC,
With friends.
BBC, BBC, Bandung Bangkok Community.
Bandung Bangkok Club, Bandung Community, yeah, so this organization, let's try to finish in 4 weeks. Yeah, half from the Thailand, half from Bandung. You said you propose the structures. Yeah, we propose the structures. Communicate with Mr. Dodit, our foreign minister, Pak Dodit, our external relations. Pak Dodit will distribute all information. So you just go to one person in my government office, which is Mr. Dodit. Yeah. Dodit will distribute all the things. So I think in 4 weeks I want to see a draft of organizations, a combination of Bandung business people with the Bangkok Thailand. The one that I told you, please keep in mind. This is how you will enter and do business in Indonesia in general. I think that will be our real conclusion for today. Is in 4 weeks we need to create this Bandung Bangkok community. Yes.
I love to see that. It's been the friendship doing the deal.
Ayo delegasi Thailand dulu, duduk Tamsat.
Bandung juara. Minus champion. Juara.
Bandung.
Champion.
Enggak, itu mah punya Kang Jaki.
Ini tinggal shop mau di mana? Lagi